Hey foodies, welcome back to Food Fact for You, the channel where we explore the world of deliciousness. Today we've got something special, a taste of the high life, literally. We're diving into the most expensive fast foods in the world. Buckle up because your taste buds are in for a luxurious ride. Kicking things off with a bang, we have the Ciarmi della Cormi of burgers. Picture this Wagyu beef, truffle-infused mayonnaise, and a topping of edible gold leaf. Yes, you heard it right. This masterpiece comes with a hefty price tag of $200. Hold on to your seats, foodies, because our next contender is not your ordinary hot dog. We're talking about a hot dog loaded with caviar and bathed in champagne-infused mustard. This upscale twist to a classic snack will set you back $100. Pizza lovers, get ready to feast your eyes on the golden pizza. Priced at a staggering $2,700, this pizza is not your average pie. Topped with truffles, foie gras, and 24-karat gold flakes. It's a true masterpiece of culinary extravagance. French fries like you've never seen before. Our next contender takes the humble fry to a whole new level. Imagine truffle-flavored French fries, topped with black truffle shavings and paired with a rare truffle-infused dipping sauce. It's a flavor explosion that comes with a price tag of $200. Get ready to elevate your fry game. Last, but certainly not least, let's satisfy our sweet tooth with the world's most expensive dessert, the $1,000 sundae. Featuring Tahitian vanilla ice cream, edible gold leaf, and the rarest chocolate, this dessert is a symphony of flavors and luxury. Stay tuned as we dive into the decadent world of the $1,000 sundae. And there you have it, foodies, a gastronomic journey through the most expensive fast foods in the world. Who would have thought that fast food could reach such luxurious heights? If you enjoyed this mouth-watering adventure, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more epic food content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a bite. Until next time, keep savoring the flavors of life. See you in the next one.